Sweet little honey bun, I know what you're doing, but like I told you, I have to keep studying now. I can't just attend to you all the time. What do you mean? No, you silly little liar. You've been trying to distract me for the past about an hour or so. And it's not necessarily in a bad way, I just need to focus. And there's a big exam tomorrow and I can't just succumb to you. I know you're trying to be a little flirtatious, but baby, I really have to focus. And so, baby, I have to sit down and really focus. All the material, I'm a little behind as well, so if you want to help me out, could you do me a favor? Could you make me a coffee and maybe a sandwich as well? Now, as I have just described, any other time, those distractions, I would actually not consider them distractions. It's more than enough. And they'd probably be the main attraction. I mean, you know I love you and your twins. But yeah, now's not the time, baby. Well, baby, I can't really do that right now. You don't have any exams, so obviously you might have a lot more free time on your hands. Okay, just let me, how about this, okay? Hear what I have to say. Let me study for 2 hours straight, and then we can take a break and do what you want to do. Baby, come on. What? You want to help by massaging me? Okay, yes, I'm fine with that for now, but you have to remember, I can't be distracted, and so let's lay out a few ground rules, okay? I know you think you're coy and that you're sneaky, but I do need a massage since I do get very tense from studying. So you may massage my neck and scratch my head with your hands or fingernails or knuckles or elbows, but anything below my waist is off limits, okay? Okay, well, I'm glad you understand. Alright. Let's get this started, shall we? So, let me open up my book to the right chapter, and, wow. You started off a little rough there, baby. You're trying to jump me, trying to get things started. Well, I told you I have to focus. And yes, it does feel nice, but at this rate, all I'll be able to focus on is your touch. Okay, see, you're trying to sneak your hand down again. And this is exactly what I was talking about. Just stay up here. I knew you were trying to go below the waist, and I anticipated this. I knew it was going to happen. Whoa, no. You're kissing me on the neck now? Baby, I don't know if that's considered a massage. Listen, I know that you're bored, and I know what you're trying to do, and it's not gonna work. And while yes, that was a nice kiss, I know that I should be looking at my books. What? You want to go do yoga? Okay, fine. I'm not gonna join, and I'm not even looking. Okay, so go get your mat and do whatever you want. Sure. What is that pose called? Downward dog. Do you have to be facing away from me like that? I mean, it does look good from where I'm sitting, but you're making a lot of excessive noise. That's what I'm looking over. Alright, baby, how about this? Let's make a compromise. Okay. I really have to study. You really want to annoy me. How about let's compromise? Take a 15-minute break now, or, a few minutes. Get you over with, right? Done and over with. And then you'll be out and sleepy, and then I can study, okay? Sound good? Okay, come over here to my desk. How do I say this? Darling, my sweetest sweetie. I'm not sure if it already happened, but when you do reach the happiest moment in our little activity, please do start screaming out of joy, okay? I really want to hear it, and I don't care if anyone else hears. I believe the current slang says that, damn, you're a yacht. Is that correct? I got that riz, don't I? You have to say yes. There you go. Thank you. You're such a cutie for obeying what I say. I love it when you do that. You're too cute. Oh, and I really love the curve of your thigh. And your skin is just so soft and very velvety smooth. And just every time I run my hands over it, your eyes seem to give away that you love me. You fell for me, didn't you? Damn, girl. You're actually really good at this. I want to be yours forever. Forever and ever and ever. And one day, when I can't speak anymore, when my voice gets so deep from loving you so much that you can't hear it anymore, I want you to remember all the nice moments we had like this. And I want you to get on top, okay? And take it away from there. Fucking love you so much. Baby, I really want you to understand how damn gorgeous you are. No, I'm sure you've heard it before, but I'm gonna keep repeating it. I love you, not just because you're beautiful, but also because you have a very nice, kind heart, we'll put it that way. Oh yes, and I love looking at your heart, and I know I can't see it, but I like what I see. Oh, baby, I really appreciated that time together with you. However, this isn't a live stream. It is a video. The video does have to have an ending, right? Go ahead, like and subscribe. I would really be grateful if you did that. and I'll continue to make audios in return. And, yeah. I love you. 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 I swear.